Hello everyone, myself Navneet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, subscribe my channel if you want to boost your scores. Today I will discuss about one of the cue card that is running in the present scenario and in the coming scenario also. My cue card is about describe a crime you involved in, when it was and what crime it was, why you got involved and how did you feel. एक क्राइम दसो जिहदे विच तुसीं इनवॉल्व सीगे, क्यों किता, ठीक है, तुसीं ये क्यों किता, कदों किता, ठीक है, किस टाइप का क्राइम सीगा एंड तुसीं किदां फील किता। मैं क्राइम दे रिलेटेड कुछ सिनोनिम यूज़ किते हैं, डेलिक्वेंसी, ऑफेंस एंड इलीगल। इलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ वही होंदियां जिहड़ियां क्रिमिनल रिलेटेड होंदियां। सब तो पहला गो विद द इंट्रोडक्शन। अनडेनिएबली इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो क्राइम या फिर की आजूगा अपने को द केसेस ऑफ द डेलिक्वेंसी आर बिकमिंग अ सीरियस कंसर्न इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो because sometime people do not have another choice rather than committing the crime due to having unemployment, poverty and overpopulation also. Although I always love to follow the rule and regulation, I always stay away from the illegal activities. But here I would like to talk about one of the time when I indulged in the delinquency just because of the saving life of one lady. Actually it happened 2 months back when I was on the way and I drove a car and one lady met with an accident and the condition of the lady was too serious. When I saw the lady, nobody helped her. So at that time, I decided to help her. Firstly, I picked her in my car. Then after that, drove very fastly in order to reach the hospital as soon as possible earlier. But when I was on the way at that time, some signals were present, but I had to block the signals and I crossed the red light of the signal. So at that time I got the challan from the authorities of the traffic because I broke the law of the traffic and they penalized me. But when I reached to the hospital and I came to know from the doctor that if we late for few seconds then the lady could lost her life. So in this way I saved one of the life. I was over the moon in spite of having a challan and penalties which has been gotten by me just because of indulgence of the petty offense. And so it was one of the time when I had to indulged in the illegal activity just because of saving of the life of the lady, and I felt very happy and my family also felt proud to me when they saw my picture in the newspaper, because in the next day I was present in the as a headline that some of the news editor were appreciated me a lot by explaining something about how I saved the life of one lady. And also after that some editor took my interview. I was over the moon, and the feeling that I felt at that time after saving the life of one lady I can't explain in words. सो दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द क्यू कार्ड। होप कर दी प्रॉपरली समझ आया होगा। अगर फिर भी किसी को कोई डाउट है कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियो। एंड रीसेंट कमेंट दे विच काफ़ी कैंडीडेट्स ने डिमांड की है कि मैम क्यू कार्ड नू रिटन पोर्शन दे विच पाओ। ਉਹਦਾ रीज़न ये है राजे, मैं रिटन पोर्शन दे विच क्यों नहीं ਜਿਹੜਾ क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर करके बच्चों ਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ, क्योंकि ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਨੈਚੁਰਲਿਟੀ प्रिपेयर नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ। I just give some of the content in which you can make your cue card more imperative. I just give some of the clues because in this way you can make your cue card more imperative and innovative and constructive also, and your speaking ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ natural portion है वो भी बड़ा सोहना होगा। follow करो राजे, because I also have a record of my candidates who have gotten 7.5 band score from 4.5 band score in speaking. So my each and every videos are also beneficial for each and every candidates, because I always love to make the videos on the behalf of my experience and experiments which has been done by me on my candidates who have gotten the desirable band score and who have visited abroad for their further study and ambitions भी complete किते हैं उन्होंने। तो करके मेरी सारी वीडियोस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे। ईवन जेडे मैं ऐसे डिस्कस कराए हुए हैं मॉर्निंग तो ईवनिंग स्लॉट के विच आ भी रहे हैं, एग्जाम्स के भी। रीसेंटली भी मैं एक पाया सीगा थोनों ਲਾਈਕ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਨਿਕਲਿਆ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੇ ਬੀ 30 ਵਾਲਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, 30 ਆਫ April ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਸੇ ਸੀਗਾ ਆਲਮੋਸਟ ਸਪੇਸ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਤੇ ਮੈਂ 2 or 3 ਵੀਕਸ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀ, ਉਹੀ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ। ਸੋ ਬੀ ਕੌਨਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਮਾਈ ਈਚ ਐਂਡ ਐਵਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਗੈਟ ਦ ਗੁੱਡ ਐਂਡ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰੇਬਲ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਇਨ ਵੈਰੀ ਲੈਸ ਟਾਈਮ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ।